Getting a soft, silky, flowy blowout has always been a struggle for me. So let us see if this dryer does the trick this time. Hey loves, welcome to a new video. In today's video, as you can see, I will be reviewing this Dooair blow dryer. I would really love to achieve a flowy blowout today. Wish me luck, guys. So before we move on, I just want to show you what I currently have as a blow dryer, guys. I got this from Value Village for about $7. Oh my goodness, this thing is old and weak. Now back to our Dooair blow dryer. These are the components it comes with. It comes with a diffuser head and also these two blowout attachments. Guys, I must confess that this dryer is actually a very beautiful piece of appliance. I love it. I love the design. It looks so cute and it's quite heavy. It looks pretty sturdy. It looks like something that's gonna last. At least it feels like it. And of course, I gotta bust this bubble wraps. Over here, I'm trying to show you guys the different heat settings, but this clip is washed out, pardon me. Now let's get into business. My hair is almost fully dry, so I'm spraying on some water. Then I follow with heat protectant spray. Then we start the work. Yes guys, work, because that is what this turned out to be, and that is what I did not want. Now, I cannot be the only one who doesn't like to read manuals, but it sometimes backfires on me because why am I struggling so much with adding this blowout attachment? Anyway, I finally got it done. And just like I've seen in many tutorials, I decided to start with the tension method, and I used the odd settings actually. And this is the result without using a brush. Then I went on to add some smoothing serum, and then I used a brush to try and, finish the rest. I'm not an expert, guys. I'm not an expert at this, which is why I really need something easy to use. Anyway, this was real work, guys. This is one thing that I dread so much. But these days, whenever I want to get any protective style in, I love to start with this blown out air, which is why I decided to invest in a blow dryer now. But guys, this is giving struggle. As you can see, it is giving stress, which is one thing that I'm not signing up for. And it was at this moment, guys, that I discovered, that I realized that I had chosen the wrong appliance for myself. I should have gone ahead to get the one-step blow dryer that I actually wanted to get initially. But because of a previous one-step blow dryer that I had, I thought to give this one a try. And no, I was so disappointed. Now, aside from the fact that this device just did not work with my hair and just the amount of stress that I can take on, this device actually works fine. I think it actually did a good job based on the effort that I put in and the product that I used. So overall, it's a good device. I would rate it a 7 based off of the design and the things that it came with, but it just wouldn't work for me because I am a lazy natural. I have a full head of hair, so I just want an appliance that will cut the blow drying process for me. So that is why I ended up returning this device. So let me know what you guys think. If you've tried this, how do you typically blow dry your hair? Let me know. And if you have suggestions for hair products that I can use to achieve that flowy blowout, let me know in the comments. This was what it turned out to be. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you on another video soon. Bye.